it's Rue. In this video, we will be making the Foghorn. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients. Dry gin, I have here Bombay Sapphire, ginger beer, and a lime. 3 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab ice, a highball glass, a jigger, a juice squeezer, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, we're gonna roll our lime. From here, cut the lime in half. Now cut into wedges. Set the limes aside. Add ice into your glass. Grab your gin. Pour 1½ ounce of gin into the glass. Now squeeze half a lime. Open your bottle of ginger beer. You can free pour 4 ounces, which is up to this high, into the glass, or you can measure it with a jigger. I'm going to show you using a jigger. Stir your drink. And the last step is to add garnish. And there you go, my friends, the Foghorn. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.